just don't feel the same when I ain't wearing my hat, man. Oh, I can't hear nothing. There we go. Hopefully we don't run into any issues. I had to go in and verify the Unreal Engine. If that doesn't work, I'm probably just gonna reinstall the engine. But yeah, yesterday we got big fat W. Right? We're now streaming seamlessly, or moving the object seamlessly. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I gotta figure out thread, game thread. Gotta be something with iteration. Iterating over these bad boys. See, get pulled object. We see if it contains, and if the object class is above 0. If it's above 0, then we get the pulled object. That's true. We should probably put this in an if statement. Init. Didn't it just say to move for init? Trying to work on having my back straight and being like this. So if this does not equal a null pointer, and honestly, let's just say if bool does not equal null pointer as well. Is there any way to check? have a feeling it has to do with this. Valid on condition failed. Blueprint generated class. Level manager. Object reference by persistent frame. So it's a getter function in here. It's interesting that return I'm going to do this and then alright, best it's interesting I can do it without that. Probably means this is the issue. Can I even say like if something like this just to make absolute sure? Can't do it to a bool. this as well. If we'll get a view pulling object, pull obj, and then we'll equal it to view get, and we'll say if this if I can figure out what this error is. It looks like, because it happens when it spawns. Hey, thank you so much, Martinez77, for the follow. Yo, Anna Martinez. No playing, no game. Bro is a solid 10 out of 10. Dude, you're being way too generous. And nothing much, just chilling, hanging out, doing my thing. Trying to fix some issues with my code. I don't know what it is that's specifically not a valid object, but I keep getting an error randomly. So, but yeah, yesterday I got this working off stream. We're now seamlessly seamless. I mean, pretty seamless. We're seamlessly moving things in now. Your demo got approved? Nice. So was it the 31st? 31st? I'm gonna be able to play your demo. Also, Ann Martinez, how's it going? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for the follow. How's day going? It's going excellent. Woke up, had to do some business work, and now I'm doing some more business work, making this game. Everywhere today. I'm just hoping we can not run into this issue that I've been having. Then we're also getting this warning here saying that as natively added scene components were set as the actor's root component. Level actor. I have follow you. I saw that. Thank you. Thank you for the follow. Yeah, sorry I would dance, but and be more excited, but I got a root canal done 2 days ago, so I'm still in semi pain. I stream on Twitch, X, and YouTube. Still got some keys, if anything. Give me them keys, brother. I'll play the heck out of Aquamarine. Oh, good. Yeah. Multi-streaming. As best as I can. I don't always get to stream because since I run another business, my life can get relatively chaotic at some points. But not so much so that I can't stream at least once a week. But yeah, we do multi-stream. I'm thinking about streaming on Kick, but we'll find out. We'll find out if that's something I want to do in the future. Then it's just another platform I have to set up, and I'm lazy. With all the stuff I'm doing already, I'm pretty lazy. Let's see here. So we have the setup. Can I? Is there like make root? Make root? No. This is supposed to be the root component. Then I'll probably do so. If you recommend it, I'll probably do it. I'll take it as a sign. Plus, I like the name Kick. Kick. I wonder if I can. I think I can actually stream to 4, so maybe I do set up Kick. But then that's 4 chats I have to watch. And I don't know if they pick up Kick chat on. I have like a Streamlabs OBS that displays the chat. Streamlabs chat feature that displays the chat, yada yada. You know what I'm talking about. I wonder if they actually display Kick. Last time I streamed on Kick, I don't think they had something of that nature. Where are you from? I'm from California, bro. The beautiful state. Yeah, I mean... Can I just say, like, root component dot set? Like, they don't... You know? So I can merely set this equal. Do this. And that's the thing. However... Oh, and we're still doing this. Not having any issues at this point, which is good. Awesome. That is awesome. Awesome postum. We're gonna go ahead. Do we have anything we need to save? No, not at all. Let's just rerun this. I love US. Where are you from? I love the US too. It's chill here, I guess. There's places I obviously want to visit. I want to go to Jerusalem, Japan, China, India. I've already been to Mexico, the Bahamas, England, maybe France. France would be cool. Maybe Italy. Maybe Italy. Get some pizza and be disappointed, you know? Oh, you're from Australia. I got a couple of friends out in Australia. Nah, I haven't met them physically, but digitally, you know? So were you born in Australia or what? No, it's kind of a weird question to ask. It just came to mind, so I'd ask it. Yes. Oh, good. Yeah, I have a ton of friends. Australians are sick. Never, ever confuse them with someone from New Zealand. I've made that mistake too. I have friends from New Zealand, friends from Australia. Always a pleasure talking to Australians, though. Australians are just, they're giga chads, man. They're all funny. I don't know what it is. I don't know why they all got this trait, but they're all funny. And they're all relatively chill. It comes with just hanging out with big everything, you know? Animals, insects. I don't know specifically. I'd have to ask them. I just know they're from Australia. I don't get like that in depth with it. You know, they're like, oh, I'm from Australia. You know, I'm not like, where? You know? This feels weird. Like too personal at that point, you know? But if, I think one of them's from Sydney. Let's see if it's still giving me that error when I run. No, because we've set the native root component to wait. Service name friend. Okay, cool. I mean, everything seems to be in order. I'm not getting any bugs. I'm just gonna let this run for a little bit longer. Today we're gonna work on like some character movement. No! No! No. Yeah, animals like snakes, kangaroos. But dude, I wish I could hang out with a kangaroo. She was telling me about like there's like these like miniature kangaroos, and I forget what they're called, but I really want one. I want to just have one. When I was talking to her last, she was like, "Yeah, I just had to go shoe these like." There's a name for them. Hold on, miniature kangaroo. Animal. It's a wallaby, dude. It's a wallaby. Look at him. I want some so bad, dude. Look at him. I want one so bad. Sorry about that, guys. Had to pick up the phone. Gosh, look at him. Look at the face. Look at the face. I just want to grab the face and do this with it. And tell it I love it. Look at him, dude. His little hands. He's like a furry, cute Tyrannosaurus Rex. At work, so hard to listen, but wanted to stop by and give some love. Keep it up. Thank you so much. Ryu. I'm going to say Ryu instead of Ryuthamus. Thank you so much, man, for tuning in. Have you had any chance to work on the Gladiator game recently, or have you just been busy with work? I know you're talking about that last stream I tuned in, but yeah, if you can't get back to that answer, I'll just ask it again next time you stream. Thanks for popping in, though, dude. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so that's working. We're still getting this error, though. Let's see where... Let's see where that error is coming from. Great. There's no output log. That's awesome. We love to see it. We love to see that there's absolutely... Oh, there is. I'm just very far to the right. Crazy. Scroll up a bit. Yeah, I mean, it's not... Well, it isn't... It isn't this, because this initializes perfectly fine. It's got to be something with the spawn single level. That's all I can think of. Right? Honestly, I should just set a reference to this. And it's the weirdest bug, dude. Like, if I don't watch a video, my blueprints are so slow. It's ridiculous. Work, and moving. You're moving? Are you moving back here or back to the good old US, if I remember correctly? What job do you do? Right now I help run a trauma and crime scene cleanup business. Right, that's what we do. Owl. It's Owl. Owl, what's up, Owl? Owl be your guide. Is that what you tell people when you're out of states? Family, check out these things over here. I'll be your guide. Sorry. Big cringe, I know. Don't think less of me. Come on. Full OBJ. So now we can just grab this. Get. Instead of doing all that jazz, getting it again. We can just do that. On the level. Target is level manager. So there's got to be something that's doing this little thing. It's like, got to be getting in here. Aw, right? Isn't the little freaking wallaby, dude? My name's Raleigh, too, so I'd probably call my wallaby Rollaby. I know, it's weird. I'm weird, that's my thing. I'll here. I'll be here. I'm an artist and web developer. Sick. Would you like to see my work? Nora Lane. That is my Discord. I'll check out the Discord. Laim. Just sent you a friend request. Get good compile, please. Unreal Engine. For the love of God. I've been having this issue for like a while now. I don't know what it is. It's ever since I made this BP manager. So who knows? Maybe there's something going on under the hood. Do I have anything that's like check-in, like in tick? We don't have anything in tick, right? Nothing in tick. There's absolutely nothing in tick. Begin play, we got our little thing, but this occurs after all that noise. So it's like, what is it that's causing an issue? We got call for spawn. I'm saying spawn level. Particularly here, I'm calling this function. I'm saying if this is initialized, then we can do all this. If we have a reference to this, can be moved to the if statement. Let me just make you look stupid in front of everyone. My name's Ryder. Yeah, send me, there we go. Yeah. Recently, I just actually hired out Owl to make some emojis for me. They're very pretty, especially with Wallaby. I love that little guy, dude. I just want to hug him, kiss him, call him George. Call him George. Look at him. Look at them, great, dude. Look how cool these are. These are amazing. Especially, I like this one. Dude, this one's sick, bro. Holding up the Bible. Just the Bible. W art, right? That's what the W in the middle of owl is for. If there was no W, it'd just be all. All in the brush. All in the brush. How many are spawned? So what is it in here that could be giving me this issue? Right? Get pulled object. We're running this. I'm like, maybe there's something in the pull object contains this class. We do this object. Blah, blah, blah. Maybe I need to do like the actual instance. Right? Or maybe I need to get an instance of this class. Let's watch a video on singletons. Singleton Unreal Engine 5 C++. Let's see if they even have a singleton. Singleton design pattern in Unreal.
Why can't you stay organized? I've experienced this myself, and it's called chronic impulse
Hey,
control.
don't talk to me with that little belly you got there.
What are the singleton design?
You see that guy? Yo, safe. What's up in the play? Now that I'm in the emoji creative flow, I'm making my own too. Nice. You hear that, guys? I got him in the flow. I got him in the flow. Does that mean I get a percentage of all funds made? Because of that?
To ensure that
Like a 2%?
one class only, and an instance of class is running while your game or your software is running.
You're designing an ecosystem in the backyard. Do you talk to your parents first, Safe? They're going to come home and be like, what the heck is this? You like dig the little hole. You're just like, it's a brand new ecosystem for insects. He puts like a lettuce in there.
Your game or your software, it will be destroyed. So
now I have a glow. I'm in the
ensuring
flow.
one
Now I have a glow.
only will be instantiate while your game is running, and
Okay.
already provide us one for you, and you can make one. As I told you, it's a part of the Unreal Engine gameplay.
Really?
Also, you can make a single game instance class and customize that and see as you see fit for your game. So it will be
so basically it's in the
so on and so forth. So if you have all this also instead necessary information that I can cast all things, game instance will be fine. It will be derived. It must be derived from your object. You will create a C++
what? What? All right, guys. We gotta go to. Actually, we already have it. I think. No, we don't. We don't have it. We're slacking. Where is this? Interface. We got all the interface. GI Judah. GI Judah Joe. I see interfaces. I see nothing. I see nothing for this thing. Class defaults. Objects. I got a pull class. Yeah, see? See? Honestly though, how did this even get in here? Objects. Object pooling. We need to not do that because I think that's interfering with some things that we could, yeah, we want to get rid of this. We want to get rid of these. No, not the current level actor. No, we got the character ref. Sweet. We got character ref. I did? I don't know. Maybe I'll put you in the credits. Draw my name in the fur. Raw with the fur. Raw with the fur, yeah. All right, let's keep let's see where this little guy. Look, create a C++ class derived from uObject. Where? Sorry guys, with all the fires going on, I got to keep my eyes peeled to this Watch Duty app. Laguna Fire. Pray for the people at Laguna, guys. This is no bueno. He's in my game credits. Haha. Nice. He deserved it. Look at him. Such a cutie patootie. Freaking me and my double chin, dude, for the double grin. Let's go. I've been cooking all the meals for my family for the past week, and I feel a little burnt out since my family's so busy. Yeah, dude, cooking is...
little things.
So here's the thing. Cooking food takes a long time. Cooking good food, that takes a whole lot of time.
Game instance will be fine for you. So another way, I don't use, honestly, I don't use this one. It's inside in the editor. From You can create a game singleton class. It will be derived. It must be derived.
Okay. A game singleton class. Let's go.
You can create a game singleton class. It will be derived. It must be derived from you
in the editor. In the editor, he says. In what? In what? In here? Editor preference. Singleton. I see nothing. I see nothing. What about settings? I see nothing of the source. Singleton. Game singleton class. Sorry. We need to figure out how to get this to work, guys. We need it. Okay. Yo, the good game. What's up, bro? How's it going, Ghost? See, I remember you. Simpleton Games. Wow. That kind of hurt my feelings a little bit. Made me sad. All right, you know, one thing that I am going to do right now, because it's just like driving me insane. It has been, okay, for the last couple of days is the initiating map. Open world. We want running game default map. Running transition map. We have none. We're gonna have to learn about the transitions. You made a new channel? What is it called? He made a new Chanel West Coast. But I got so tired cooking dinner I couldn't support my back. Really? What are you doing? What are you cooking like this for, bro? You coming in there, flipping the thing, and then you crack the egg in there and you throw it in there and you flip it up and then you like do a backflip, catch it, boom. What have you been up to, Al? How was your trip? Where'd you guys go? Al's so secretive. He tells me nothing. He tells me nothing. Right?
Create a C++ file inherited from you object, and this is the implementation. It must be static, and you take a G engine and will return this as a
What? So, use spawn manager, get instance. I think I have something of that nature. I have a get function. Get. I mean, in here he just says get instance, right? Like, boom, boom, boom. Then, in here, if we don't have an instance, we just make one. So they're saying if G, you know, that could be it. You know, I have been having some issues with the whole G engine thing. Boom. Right. So, we don't need this, is what it's telling me. You spawn. This is going to equal to cast view pulling object, and then we pass in G engine not Singleton something game Singleton. This makes no sense. Then we return instance. And we hold on to that instance, right? I just cooked every meal WinXP for 5 people at WinXP.whatever. Keep in mind, I'm a young teenager. I get it, dude. I get it. You're cooking. But, you know, that's sick that you're doing that for your family, man. I'm sorry I'm giving you a hard time. You know what I'm saying? It's that Dark Souls music, am I hearing? I was in Maui, got to see the coast all the way to Hana, along with deal package of honking locals. Did you make sure to make angry faces at them when you honked at them?
The game instance, for example. So basically I don't use this. Instead I've used either I use the game instance or I use this one, Unreal Engine game subsystem. It's very useful and very smart design from a big guy. So it's an automatically instance classes with a managed lifetime. You take one of these classes and you inherit from these classes as you need. For example, if you are extending you make some, but this is an example. For this you have systems engine pro subsystem.
Did you know you can AFK Bloods and Zaya learning to code in Python? Go to boot.dev.
You're gonna attempt to bake bread? That's pretty cool.
Right click and make a blueprint class, and
like being able to make all that stuff from yourself is pretty cool.
Game instance. Before I create the game instance, let's hover over it. You say it's a high level main creation game instance. Just standalone, find it again. New tools and use of C++. You will be kind of inherited and create. So basically I made a subsystem, like for example, let me show you. I make an example like a bullet subsystem. It's inherited from new game instance subsystem. It can spawn a bullet. Anyone can talk to this subsystem. Like let me show.
How dare he? Not all control paths return null. Return null. Oh. Alright, we're gonna restart this guy. And good enough, when we restart it, we should be running on our happy oh! Whoa! Calm down, Sasuke. Hitting on that bread. Why? Because it's gonna be so hard? You gotta be making that soft bread, bro. You're sitting on soft bread. That soft bread's it's a pancake now. It isn't. I don't consider it bread if it's like this, you know. But if you got hard bread, you sit on it and it don't squish, then you know. Joke. Oh man, I kind of want to go to Hawaii. Go live in Hawaii. But sorry guys, my tooth is killing me right now. My tooth is killing me. I saw red. Where is the red? Let's see if this even works though. Slow. Come on. Give me fast. I'm being punished for for some weird reason. Come on. Why is this running so slow? Oh, no. I'm gonna restart it. Oh wait, guys, we are live on Twitter or X, so you know, I'm gonna come over here and follow. Apparently, Grok's AI system super cool. Let's check it out. Grok. Whoa. That's why. Why is this one still open? Oh. So they're saying you want to prevent garbage, add to root. No. Man, this actually gave a way more. I didn't even know about adding this right here, like instance to root. Right? I feel like that's something we need. I think at some point we're actually going to just make a game instance class to make this full like C++. That way I can communicate with the game instance. I didn't originally just because I'm not wanting to do all that noise. But yeah, if I don't, for instance, I was having a ton of issues. Alright, we don't need that here. Right here. Right. I'm gonna try to do that and compile. I think we're gonna get some errors. Yeah. What if I boom do that? Try that. Boop boop boo doo. Yeah, see. Where are you pulling? Delete. Compile. Yeah, I mean, when does this get created though? Typically, it gets created in here. Load all levels and level. How do you do that? think a lot of it has to do with the fact I'm using a key map. Anyways, we create it there. And then in here, that's true regardless of what I do. Wow. I believe it's in here. No. Excuse me. Gosh, why does it gotta be so stinky? We get a reference here, but maybe we should just get game instance. Game instance. Game instance. What? Get game instance. Get game instance. You know? Set the level manager. Get pool. Yeah, we have to cast to GI Judah run. This is like the big annoyance, is having to do this. Right? We could just make a helper interface, which I think I'm gonna do. So I don't have to cast every time. Streaming, instance, level manager, level streaming, world getters, bet level manager, function, get pool, pulling system. What's going on here? Like, this shouldn't be as laggy as it is. Save. I'm actually gonna save all this and just rerun the project because this is actually quite annoying. I'm just gonna have to uninstall and reinstall the engine. I validated it. See if maybe it's an issue on my end, but I think I just need to uninstall it and reinstall it. But we'll have to do that at a later date. If not, what I'm gonna have to do is convert this project. I'm gonna have to downgrade it to 5.4. I just can't deal with all this noise, all this NuGet error stuff, and just no bueno, you know? You pulling object reference. File. Now in this, we can do a little bit of init. We create this and we make a reference to it. So level manager, pull instance. Where is it? We have all of that here in our interfaces. That level manager, get level, get pulling system, bada boom, bada bing, bang, file, save, get pull. Grilled cheese? You're making me hungry, dude. Stop it. This is not how a streamer is supposed to live. Starving. I will say that ever since I did this here, using the game engine. I'm getting too many errors. Failed to compile. What do you mean? Ugh. 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 I'm so hungry. Not enough time to eat. Alright, what's going on? Yeah, this just runs like dookie. And I wonder why. Is it because of this? Adding it to root? Is that really what's making it this laggy? I don't know, man. Make some freaking French toast. Make some French toast. French toast is bomb. Yeah, I'm having huge amounts of issues. Although add to root shouldn't be too bad. If G engine, you know what? Need none of that. We don't need none of that. We don't need none of this right here. Just throw that back like so. No! No! Add this again. Dude, I gotta go see what my brother's cooking. I'll be right back.
eat a bowl of cereal and be right back.
Oh, Kotagi! Raleigh the Ghost. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Ooh! Ooh! Ghost energy! Buh. Buh. I think the biggest issue, though, is that in... No! I hate when I do that. Wait, it was a level actor. So, come on. Alright, everything's working smooth, right? Play. Everything moves slow now. Let's go to editor. Where's the profiler? Viewpoints. Viewpoints. Outliner. Profile data visualizer. That's dummy. Dummy. I feel like a dummy, dude. Come on. Whoa, dummy. Load profile data. What about this? Tools. Profile data visualizer. Just a normal low. Make some sandwiches. I want to see some turkey avocado sandwiches. Those are the best. Blueprint debugger. I just want to see how to run a freaking profile on here. Tomato and cheese saute.
Professor Terrence Tao is the equivalent of a rock star in mathematics.
Regarded
13, but it holds up really well. So I'll post a link to it in the description below and you can check out the entire article. But what it recommends that we do next is use the tilde key to open up the command console and entering stat start file. And that's what actually starts recording data for the
Stat start file. Tilde key. Stat start file.
profile, and it says let it run for at least 10 seconds or so to get a nice average over many frames, and then we can stat stop file to actually. How do we look at that? So for that we got to go to tools, and then we can go to session front end here, and then we need to navigate over to the profiler tab, and we need to load in the last file that we just recorded. So we go to load, and you're probably going to have to navigate to this folder, but it's under your
the heck, dude? Okay. Let's stop. No!
And then stat stop file.
Then we go here, you load. Foofle is a funny word. Foofle? Fluffly. Farfuffly. Farfoofle. It's foofle, isn't it? What's going on in my ears? Ugh. Nazareth, saves, profiling, unreal fan. Open. How did not do it there? What the heck, bro? Open. There ain't nothing there. Oh, sorry. Stat. Start. File. Enter. Let it run for a good couple seconds. Stat. Stop. File.
All right, we can exit out.
Alright, let's see if it worked this time. I think it's because I exited before I was supposed to do the thing. It's not there, dude. It's making me mad, bro. It's making me mad, bro.
So we got our profile snapshot, but how do we look at that? So for that, we got to go to Tools, and then we can go to File that we just recorded. And I'll probably just take to the more profile. Under Unreal Stats, there you'll, but it's under your Unreal projects. You go into your main folder, Saved, and then into this folder called Profile.
Exactly what I did. I just... Ugh. What did I do to deserve this? This heresy. Bet you has to do something with filing and all that. You thought it was kerfoofle? Kerfoofle? It's carfoofle. Kerfoofly. Look at how slow it is now. That's crazy. And then that happens. Only happens because of how low. How slow it is. I wanted to work on character movement today. What time is it? I might just stop stream and try to fix this. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm sorry for stopping it so short, but I got some things I gotta handle on my end. Much love to all of you guys who came in. Make sure to follow and like the stream. Big hearts to all y'all in chat. I love you guys. God bless. Christ of Nazareth loves you.